Hello, what's up, Crypto Nation? We're back. It is Friday, October 2nd. It is a Friday night. It's almost 11 p.m. I'm feeling a little down. I'm feeling a little sick. Got a headache. It's probably Corona. But I'm still here fighting for you guys. And I promised a video tonight. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at the markets. Some interesting stuff's been going on. And let's check out what's going on. Um, so today's Friday. Stock market's done for the week. Some interesting stuff that happened that I mentioned before is the stock market in crypto and Bitcoin usually has a strong correlation, at least the past 6-7 months, since March and the pandemic started. But recently, we could check out what's going on with Bitcoin in recently here. So let's look out 3 days here. So we had this big drop on October 1st here, right? This is around noontime Eastern time in the U.S. and we dropped around 5%, 4 to 5%, very, very, very quickly. So what is going on here? So one might think, as all these other YouTubers and guys that are so bullish on the market, saying the only thing that can bring crypto down and bring Bitcoin down is what? Is the stock market? Is the U.S. stock market going down? But let's see what happened during the stock market at this time, because this is during opening hours of trading in the American Stock Exchange. Let's look this up. Let's look up the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, right? Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, whatever you want, they're going to show pretty similar movements. So let's look at the 5 days. Here's October 1st. Let's go to October 1st at 12. Look at this. Nothing happened here. Absolutely nothing. But look what happened with Bitcoin. Guys, correlation, the stock market isn't the only negative thing that could impact Bitcoin and crypto, right? Crypto is still a very small asset. It's still just Bitcoin is $200 billion less than total market cap, meaning small players that have a large holding of a crypto asset can have an extreme impact on the price, right? These are called whales, as you know, right? So right here, this was simply a whale selling, okay? Really not news oriented, not related to the stock market, which everyone else, all these guys who are trying to sell you stuff and are totally bullish on everything and really hiding the truth, right? I'm bullish overall, but you can't hide the truth that this market still has its flaws, especially right now in the early stages. We're looking right here. This is from a whale, simply someone who owns a large amount of Bitcoin just deciding to sell, and for whatever reason, maybe they want to buy a house. No one knows the reason, but this is a large stakeholder in Bitcoin selling out at this point, noon. Okay, maybe they want to go on an expensive lunch date. I don't know, but that's what's going on here. Now let's look at the next major event we've had in this period, which is boom. Okay, now this happened about 24 hours ago. Okay, this is related to an event, as you probably know. Donald J. Trump, the President of the United States, he announced exactly at this time, at just before 12:30ish, that he had contracted coronavirus. This was on Twitter. Boom. It did not only shake crypto markets, it shook the stock market futures. Again, the stock market was not open at that point, but there's a futures market which you could trade after market hours, and that shook. They went down 2% or so at that point. And the crypto markets followed. So this one was more related to stock market slash news events, right? This one is a whale just selling out. So we gotta take each scenario and look at it specifically, right? Okay, let's look at the overall markets here. We did that. Overall markets here, the last 24 hours. What we can see here is it is an altcoin. Alts are getting hit, right? Bitcoin's only down 0.8, but if you look at all the other alts, you got Ethereum down triple, You got XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Binance Coin doing okay, but Polkadot been slammed here. Of course, Polkadot's been hot in the news. Everyone's talking about Polkadot and Polkadot apps that would run on Polkadot. And there's many projects that are working in the Polkadot ecosystem that have been getting boosts recently. But let's continue to look here. Chainlink down 4.8. Again, as you guys know, I'm pretty bearish on this Chainlink and some of the Oracle solutions, as I am about many alts. Binance Coin, which is one I'm rather bullish on, but I'm hoping we get a pullback so I could purchase more, is up 11% in the past 7 days. That is a solid coin. Let's look at what else we got. So really that's what we're seeing is this trend of Bitcoin only down 0.8, but the alts are down much more. I think this will increase. This trend will continue for quite a long time. As we look here, this Bitcoin dominance is at 57.2%, meaning Bitcoin market cap takes around 57% of the total market cap of crypto assets. So I think this will increase over the next really long term. This is going to increase a lot to over 60% by year end. That's what I expect. Which means Bitcoin might go down a little bit, but these alts will go down much more. Bitcoin is a relatively safe asset. I think relatively in the crypto world, it is the safest asset for sure. Gas fees, this is something to note, 50, so it's very cheap to make transactions on the Ethereum network at this time. Let's just check, let's get a live look here, Bitcoin tracker. Oh, we have it open here. Yeah, so let's look at the 7 day here. 7 day, guys, we see some top resistance really around here, boom, around 900, boom, boom, boom. Look at this, pretty much exactly at 900. And now the 500, 10,500, which has been the magnet level, if you've been listening to our videos, is the magnet level that we've been talking about, which is proven to be lower bound resistance here. As we seem to keep popping. If we go down, look at this, we pop down below, right? This was on the whale who sold out, and it popped right back over 1500. If it goes under, anytime it's been under 500, it pops up immediately. So that is an interesting piece of data right there. 500, the magnet is strong. It just loves being around 500 right now. Look at over here, just over 500. It keeps gravitating toward that 500 mark. So since this day started, Bitcoin has been pretty non-volatile since this is the Trump move. But that's just we'll see what the next news. We're here the weekend, so the stock market is not a factor this weekend. So let's see if any other whales or any other news, maybe related to Trump, will affect the markets and will affect Bitcoin. Okay, guys. Let's see. What else we got here? I think that will be it for this video. Again, I'm fighting through this for the Crypto Nation. I know you guys want the content, and there you have it, guys. We're at 10.5. Expect to hover around this area. I'm quite bearish. The number I see really is in, like I said last video, if we get 10,400 low 400s, which we hit for a sustained period of time, okay, which means at least 12 hours, maybe 6 hours, 6 to 12 hours minimum, that would entail extreme bearish action for the future, and this 500 magnet level maybe is starting to weaken, but right now it is as strong as ever. So look at here, we were barely there. We hit that. So I mentioned over here about that level, and then boom, not too far. Just after that video, we bounced down into that level, but we didn't sustain it. That's what I meant. We need to sustain those levels, those low around 400s, low 400s, under 450 for sure. That will take away, as the longer it stays at those levels, the the more the magnet at 500 just starts to weaken. Okay, that's what you gotta know. Okay, guys, I'm done. I need to get some rest. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sick here, but we'll keep fighting on. I'll get back to you later this weekend for more updates on the crypto markets. As you know, we tell them the truth. We don't do BS. We don't sell you anything. We're bullish, we're bullish, we're bearish, we're bearish, and we tell you guys. Unlike some other YouTubers, as you guys know. Okay, guys, take it easy. Peace out.